The Under Armour Curry 13 arrives at a pivotal moment, closing the historic chapter between Steph Curry and the Baltimore brand. While footwear free agency headlines dominate the conversation, this final signature model deserves its own spotlight, especially in its eye-catching baby blue colorway. Among the initial monochromatic offerings, baby blue stands out as the most refreshing and symbolic, delivering a clean, flooded look that highlights the shoe's bold new design direction. The Curry 13 breaks away from past silhouettes with a playful, animated structure inspired by the jagged geometry of earlier Curry models, now softened by flowing lines and curvilinear splash extensions for containment. A three-piece midsole keeps the proven flow cushioning and traction intact, while the fabric upper features teardrop cutouts that expose a breathable mesh layer beneath. Drenched entirely in baby blue, the colorway amplifies every design detail, making this final Curry x Under Armour release both memorable and visually striking as it heads toward its February 2026 debut.